Today on Tuesday's Tips, we're going to show you how to check your own oil. If you have an older model car, it's something that you want to do in between oil changes. It can keep your car running better in the long run and probably save you some money. I'm Steve, your friendly Applewood technician. Let's do it. The first thing you're going to want to do is pop the hood and find the dipstick. The dipstick will usually have an orange or yellow handle, so it should be easy to find. We're going to want to clean the dipstick with a rag and then put it back in. Next, pull it out to check the level. L for low, H for high. Oil level should be somewhere in between here, but you want it to be closer to the high mark. In this case, the oil level was a little bit low, so we're going to want to top it up. The first thing you have to do is find the oil cap. Next, you're going to want to find a funnel and put it where you just took the oil cap out of. You're only going to want to add a little bit of oil at a time, and then you're going to want to check the dipstick again. It looks like the oil level is exactly where we need it to be, so we put just enough. So that's it for today. I hope you've enjoyed Tuesday's tips. If you have any questions, comment below. I'm Steve, your friendly Applewood technician. See you next time.